Yes, good morning, all of you. Now we will be moving in lecture 3 of chapter coordinate geometry. Now, coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, we have studied about the distance formula, section formula, and one more formula I have explained, that is area of triangle formula. Previously, this was separate topic, but I have explained this for the purpose of collinear questions, because when we are doing by this question, this formula, the collinearity condition, we will take less time to complete the question. So this question is very important and comes in the exam. But as the distance formula, the area of triangle formula is removed, so you cannot, don't confuse with that the formula will not be, you cannot use the formula. The concepts you can use, any concept you can use for doing the question in the board exam, but whatever you are doing, that should be written clearly. That is very important thing. So now, very important question you can say this word question I am explaining. That is, the vertices of a triangle are given. The vertices of a triangle are given. And you have to prove that the coordinate of the centroid is, now when I say, now today's is 17 7 2020 maths class 10 coordinate geometry, coordinate geometry. Now in coordinate geometry, so in coordinate geometry, you have to do this very important question. The vertices of a triangle are x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. The vertices of a triangle are x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. Prove that the coordinate of centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon b. Next, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This you have to prove. Now, solution. Vertices of a triangle are x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. Coordinate of centroid. Now, what is centroid? That is coordinate of centroid. Now, in coordinate of centroid, What is coordinate of centroid? What is the meaning of centroid? First of all, you must know. Centroid is the point where medians meet. Centroid is the point. Centroid. Don't write all these things in the question in exam. Centroid is the point where medians meet. Medians meet. Now, what is median? You will say median. Median is the line segment. Line segment. Line. Median is the line segment. This is line segment joining the vertex and midpoint of opposite side. Median is the line segment joining the vertex and midpoint of opposite side. Now, centroid is represented by G. It divides in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. Centroid is represented by the. It divides in the ratio 2:1. So triangle has 3 medians. Triangle has 3 medians. So now question comes in the exam. Find the length of the medians. Find the length of medians. Now when I say find the length of medians, it means that triangle has 3 medians. You have to find out the median, the length of. So after this, we have to start with the question. So whenever this type of question comes, all things should be in your mind. Centroid is what? Median, and what centroid is, how centroid is represented, and what centroid, that is, divides in the ratio to centroid. It divides in the ratio 2:1. Now it divides, you can say that is median. Median is divided in ratio 2:1. Median is divided in the ratio. It means median is divided in the ratio 2:1. Now after this, we will be doing the question. So all these things should be in your mind, and wherever needed, we can write in the short form. So how will you do this question? This is the question where we are applying the section formula. So first of all, you make this diagram. A, B, and C. This is D. This is midpoint. G. 2:1. This is the figure you have to make. Now AD. AD and B. A is x1, y1. B x2, y2. C x3, y3. Now I have taken this part AD. So G is this. Ratio is 2, 1. Now coordinate of G you don't know. You write xy. A you know x1, y1. So coordinate of D that you are not knowing. You have to find out the coordinate of G. Now coordinate you will write D is midpoint of BC. Therefore, coordinate of midpoint D. D is midpoint of BC. Coordinate of midpoint D of BC. X2 plus x3 upon 2. X2 plus x3 upon 2. And y2 plus y3 upon 2. After this, you can write coordinate of D here. How this D has come? You will say x2 plus x3 upon 2 and y2 plus y3 upon 2. That is, this is you have brought from here. So after this, now you will write V by section formula, we can find the coordinate of G. We can find the coordinate of G. After this, you have when you apply, you know the distance formula. Yes, please see that those who are joining the class late, join on time. So after finding D, now we will be using the section formula. Now section formula. Now I will rub this as light. That is, we know x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon, that is m1 plus m2. That is, this is the, now this becomes m1 and this becomes m2. So now you can apply the formula. That is, you have to find out this. So what you will say? 2 into that point here, x 2 into x2 plus x3 upon 2. If you are writing this is wrong. So have a practice of writing like this, plus 1 into x1, and the upon line should in front of equal. You write 2 plus 1. Why? 2 into y2 plus y3 upon 2 plus 1 into y1 upon 2 plus 1. So x, this 2 and this 2 cancel. Now, here this 2 and this 2 cancel. So x2 plus x3 plus x1 upon 3, y equal to y2 plus y3 plus y1 upon 3. Now you can say that or x equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. That is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. You write properly. x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. And y equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This is how you, and in last you will write, hence prove that the coordinate of centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So this is the way you have to do this question. So this question is very important. Now, after doing this question, so variety of questions may be there, you can find out. So this is very important. Now, after that comes the question of collinearity. Here in the last class, I explained whenever the question comes to prove that the points are collinear. Now, variety, the points are given to you, and question is that show that the points are collinear. Question second, show that points 5, 3, minus 6, 7, 8, 8, 3 are collinear. Now, when this question was asked 15 years before, points are collinear. And this question may be near about in 2005 or 6, when only the distance formula and section formula was there. So this question was asked in the exam, but they have changed this type of question. Generally, when we are doing, some students what they do, they write A, they write B, and they write C. So they apply the distance, that is AB plus BC equal to AC. That is sum of two line segment is equal to the third line segment. Then we say points are collinear. But what happened? One boy, when I was checking the copy, I have come to know that that boy has done this question by plotting on the graph. This question, because in the exam only 2 graph papers are there, so you have to apply your brain. No extra graph will be provided, and other questions you have to do. And one boy, what he did, he had used that half graph paper for doing this question also. That is near about quarter. So what he did, he plotted the points on the graph paper, and after that he has made the line. Now if all 3 points come on the line, then you say that the points are collinear. Now if these points are not in a line, we say they are not collinear. They are not collinear. So that the points 5, 3, -6, 7, 8, 3 are collinear. So distance formula is also there, section formula is there, and those who are now, because from last 10 years we are having an area of triangle formula also. So this question you can do by the area of triangle formula also. Now, one more extra what I have explained, that can be done by the plotting the points on the graph. If they comes in the line, then only you say they are collinear. If they are not coming in the line, please then you say the points are not collinear. Because the question is that show that the points are collinear. Now, after that one question came, one question was asked in the exam. Find the value of k. That is 3. Find the value of k if the points dash and dash are collinear. Now this question was asked after that. So again, one boy what he did, because the points here is given, k is given here, and after that this point was given. So what that student has done, he has plotted the points, and after that he has plotted like this. This is x dash, y, and y dash. Now what this point comes, when second point, third. So 2 points were there on the line, and when he has put it here 5, suppose I say 5k, and he has plotted the 5 and comes here, and what he did, he put it the line like this, and you said, this boy said, the value of k is this. So the value of k is what? 1, that is. So these points, and he said, he has drawn the line, and after that he has said, this is the line, points are collinear, therefore. This is the way, this was the way he has done the question. That was also correct. So the concept, when you are now in the 10th class, you can use any concept, any method, but the method, whatever you are doing, you have to write clearly. That is very important. So distance formula, section formula, and area of triangle formula is there. And last, the method I explained is about that is plotting the points. So this is so what you will do. Question number 2, solution. Let a 5, 3. 5, 3 minus 6, 7, 8, B minus 6, and then C 8, 3. Area, we know, area of triangle equal to 1 by 2, x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Area of triangle ABC. Now you will write 1 by 2, x1 is 5, bracket 7 minus 3 plus, yes, second x2 is minus, here minus, plus into minus, and then a3 minus 3 plus x3 8 into 3 minus 7. Area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 5 into 4 minus 0 plus 8 into minus 4. Area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 20 minus 32. After that, this part will come this side. Area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 into minus 12, that is minus 6. Area of triangle ABC minus 6. Area of triangle ABC modulus minus 6. Area of triangle ABC 6 square units. Therefore, we say here area of triangle is not equal to 0. Therefore, points are not collinear. So this is the way you have to do the question. So now this completes the lecture.